aba daludal. Itimula mi nga aba daludal ket ipanpanakkel mi nga taga Solsona. Daytoy nga produkto ket parte ti kultura ken tradisyon. Bukod sa pagiging paboritong sangkap sa pagluluto, ang halamang gabi ay may pambihirang katangian na nagbibigay enerhiya at tulong sa pagpapabuti ng kalusugan. Sa bawat kagat, ito ay hindi lamang nagbibigay kasiyahan sa panlasa, kundi pati na rin sa ating kalusugan. Yuray laing simple lang ito nga mula, dakkel ti may tultulong natin sa ngailyan mi nga Solsona. Dahito iti panpanakkel mi nga mula, aba daludal.
Solsona has long searched for its own prized victory in Tan-o. It has faced its share of setbacks on the competition stage. But just as their land rewards those who nurture it with patience and hard work, could this finally be the year their efforts bear fruit? With a performance rooted in resilience and tradition, they take the stage once more, hoping to reap the recognition they have long been striving for.
Gamen Festival is a way to celebrate local agricultural traditions, highlighting the importance of aba daludal to the community.
More than a celebration of our gameng, it is a story of perseverance, community, and unbreakable bond with the land. While Solsona has always been known for agricultural wealth, this year we focus on the heart behind it, our Manalo. Our Sola's journey mirrors the struggles and triumphs of our farmers who face nature challenges yet continue to cultivate the land. So this performance is a tribute for their enduring spirit and deep connection between our people and our land. So sana na isang sangayan ka! Our home, our pride, our nation, Solsona!
lang aminin, mabalinak nga agawi din.
a great person.